According to the Environment and Tourism Ministry, most suspects arrested are from areas surrounding Etosha, such as Onamtanga, Utathima, Itaba and Ochenoa. They are linked to alleged syndicates operating from outside the country. On June 12, 5 suspects were also arrested between Varamkoel and Sesfontein settlements in the Kunene region after a black rhino was killed and dehorned. They were found in possession of the horn and a rifle. Another 2 suspects were arrested just yesterday in the Erongo region for poaching incidences dating back to 2008, and another 2 apprehended at Itaba village in the Omsati region for killing 2 rhinos 7 years ago. Since April, when the operation was launched, a total number of 41 suspects were arrested. Some of these involved the nabbing of 3 suspects during a separate police operation at Palamvach concession in Kunene. Environment and Tourism Minister says the number of arrests made in poaching cases indicate that local people are used to conduct illegal hunting in parks and wildlife areas. Bohamba Shifeta warned that assets owned by the suspects would also be investigated.
Because in most cases, wildlife crime in court, because of the lack of knowledge by the prosecutors prosecuting on this crime, and sometimes presiding officers not really well vested with conversant with the wildlife crime, sometimes suspect either they get lenient sentence or they are left, or they are acquitted. Now, we are trying to work with the prosecution authority and see how we can make sure that this suspect should pay the price.
The police also confiscated over 30 rifles in Etosha, with one believed to have belonged to a former game ranger. The minister says they don't rule out the possibility of these cases to be an inside job.
Anybody found in the vicinity of Etosha National Park or any parks or any wildlife areas could be randomly searched, and if found with rifles, any rifles, such rifle could be confiscated and sent for ballistic testing.
Just last month, an elephant was shot and wounded in the Boabwata National Park, and the suspects are believed to have fled to neighboring Botswana. The ministry says due to the seriousness of poaching of rhino and elephants, the police would not hesitate to implement Plan B of the operation, which could not be revealed to the media. Blanche Kores, NBC News, Windhoek.